Using the Atlassian design system effectively involves leveraging its comprehensive guidelines and resources to create consistent and user-friendly interfaces. Here's a concise guide. Understand the design system. Explore the design system. Visit the Atlassian design system website to familiarize yourself with its components, guidelines, and best practices. The system includes design principles, UI components, and design patterns. Review the guidelines. Read the documentation. Study the design principles, accessibility standards, and branding guidelines. This ensures that your designs align with Atlassian's visual and functional standards. Use design components. Access UI components. Utilize pre-built components such as buttons, forms, and navigation elements. These components are designed to ensure consistency across applications and enhance usability. Implement design patterns. Apply established design patterns for common user interactions, like forms or dashboards, to streamline the user experience. Integrate with your project. Apply components. Integrate the components into your project by using the provided code snippets and design assets. This may involve importing libraries or using design tokens to match Atlassian style. Test for consistency. Regularly review your implementation to ensure it adheres to the design system guidelines and maintains consistency throughout your application. Iterate and seek feedback. Gather feedback. Share your designs with peers or stakeholders to gather feedback and make necessary adjustments based on usability and design standards.